Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm gonna give you an overview of this headboard. This just happens to be on a full-size bed, and how long does it actually take to put together? Some cool features on it. Let's get into it. So this is what it looks like fully assembled. Took about 1 hour. And what I like about this frame is that it's all metal. So there's no wood as far as the structure of it. Not that wood is bad, but these things are mounted vertically, so there's not much give. There's also a foam padding that goes along here. So the only metal, there is no metal on metal. There's metal on foam. That's like a foam cover right there. And then this is metal. This is all powder coated. These snap into place. There's also these bed guides that kind of hold the mattress in place as optional. They're not needed, but they're definitely optional. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they can be positioned anywhere the user might like it. It does have a variety of different colors that come with the remote. There is white, there is yellow, green, purple, blue, green, red. A whole bunch of different modes. This is just auto mode. There's also a mode where it is reacting to the noise. So as shown here, this is reacting to the voice. And then it kind of just goes into its regular mode, or if it was standard, and then it was reacting again. That's pretty cool. Again, from a music standpoint, then there's an optional music where it stays in a single color, but then doesn't change unless there's sound being picked up, as shown there. Very, very cool. And there's also kind of nightlight features where you have 1, 2, 4, and 8 hours that you can set this. There's some speed as far as color rotation and all that. Very cool. The padding here is nice. It's like a leather material from a headboard standpoint that's cushioned. And you have this wood material. Now, I'm not really sure what this is, but it's like heavy. I mean, not heavy enough that, you can't pick it up and put it together. Like I mentioned, it took about 1 hour by myself, just kind of taking my time. But this is, I think it's a laminate. It's not particle wood because it's like a very solid type material that will hold up as far as like if something was spilled on it. It's not gonna, it's not gonna soak up the water, at least not easily. You got storage here, storage up top. And you have 1, 2, 3 regular outlets. You have 2 USBs. The LED strip that goes along here can be used in that one, so that's cool. You got about 6 feet worth of extension cord to find a wall outlet. Again, in this example, this is a full-size bed option. And then you have your wood here. The frame sits about 1 foot off the floor, so you got plenty of storage space to go underneath. Side view here, there's a gap here by design. So technically, even if the bed's in place, you do have some extra storage, back here for things that might need to be kind of tucked out of the way, but that is open. And every mattress is going to be a little bit different. This particular mattress is right at 11 inches from the frame to the headboard. You could technically go even a little bit shorter of a mattress and still be covered by the headboard, but this is what it pushed right up to it. It kind of gives you an idea from a size standpoint as far as mattress is concerned. Actually, you could go up again, 11-inch thick mattress can go up another inch or so and still have enough room to easily access this. Or if you went up a little bit higher, no big deal. You just have this storage area right there that might get covered a little bit. A little bit right there. The shelf area here is right about 13 inches wide and about 5 1/4, both here and here. And it's right at 5 1/4 deep. This top shelf here is a little bit deeper. It's about 5 1/2 inches deep. Top shelf is 6 1/4 inch all the way to the very back to the very front. Width on the bed and the frame, 55 inches and about 1/8. The width of the area underneath from a storage standpoint is about 36 1/2 inches. This particular mattress is also a full-size mattress. Like I mentioned, it's 11 inches thick, super soft because this is a hybrid mattress. So it has a more of like a pillow top style to it. And then the springs are underneath in the blue area. It actually fits this thing perfect.
This is what it would look like without, let's just say, bedding and everything else, which would kind of fill in, some of the extra area. Hopefully this answers, a question you might have about this really cool headboard bed frame. Again, this just happens to be a full-size bed. We'll talk to you soon.